We've just arrived at the Blair House Inn in sweet Wimberley, Texas. We've already seen 3 deer just outside. We may never leave this patio.
Blair House is known for gracious hospitality, attentive service, and for romantic weekend getaways. Spend the afternoon hiking, swimming, or just enjoy the serenity of the grounds. Attending cooking school is a great way to meet people and work in a team environment. Students working under the chef's direction stretch their cooking skills with new recipes, techniques, and pointers from the chef. Cooking school students eat lunches and dinners, and all the guests at the inn enjoy breakfast. That's right, you are cooking for paying customers. The 3-day cooking schools are themed. Choose from cuisine classes in French, Italian, barbecue, taste of New Orleans, and more. Show up ready to work. Students cook complete meals, apps, entrees, sides, and desserts, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There are rumors of wine, fun, and fellowship. When you're not cooking or eating, take time to enjoy nature walks, head to Canyon Lake, or simply watch for deer from your patio. Blair House is a cozy hill country getaway and a perfect Texas honeymoon. For more information about this destination and many others, visit our website at bridalextravaganzashow.com.